Valentine's Day is almost here, and the pressure is on to create the perfect setting for a romantic dinner. But here's the question. Do you want your Valentine's table to simply look nice? Or do you want it to wow, captivate, and leave a lasting impression? Stay tuned as we explore the most creative and heartwarming Valentine's table decor ideas that will make your celebration truly unforgettable. What are some romantic color themes for a Valentine's table? Romantic color themes are the foundation of an enchanting Valentine's table. A classic red and pink combination is timeless, evoking feelings of love and passion. Red roses paired with pink napkins exude elegance, especially when accented with golden touches that add sparkle and sophistication. For those who prefer something more subtle, a minimalist white and blush theme creates a soft, romantic vibe. Imagine white table linens and blush-colored candles, complemented by hints of greenery for a refreshing contrast. On the other hand, if you're looking to make a bold statement, the black and red contrast can deliver a dramatic and luxurious look. Black tablecloths with striking red floral arrangements and metallic accents are perfect for creating a high-impact setting. Love these ideas? Like and share this video to spread the inspiration. What centerpieces work best for Valentine's table decor? Centerpieces are the heart of any table setting, and for Valentine's, they should be nothing short of captivating. Floral arrangements featuring roses, lilies, or tulips in vibrant romantic hues are an all-time favorite. Placing these blooms in a vintage vase and sprinkling petals around the base adds a charming touch. For a warm and intimate atmosphere, candles and lanterns are an excellent choice. Tall candlesticks or elegant lanterns can create a dreamy glow, especially when paired with soothing scents like vanilla or rose. If you want something more personalized, a DIY centerpiece, such as a memory jar filled with love notes or cherished photos, is a creative way to add sentimental value while also sparking conversation. Got a favorite centerpiece idea? Comment below and share your creativity. How to set up a table for a cozy Valentine's dinner for two? A cozy Valentine's dinner for two is all about creating an intimate and inviting atmosphere. Start with a small round table, which naturally brings people closer together. Cover it with a velvet tablecloth to add a touch of luxury, and layer it with a contrasting runner for added depth. For the place settings, incorporate personalized elements such as monogram napkins or handwritten name cards. Heart-shaped plates or cutlery can subtly tie into the Valentine's theme, while tying napkins with a red ribbon adds a charming detail. Lighting is crucial for setting the mood. Opt for dim lighting with string lights or strategically placed tea lights to create a romantic glow without being overpowering. Want more decor tips like this? Check the description for our Valentine's playlist. What are some creative DIY Valentine's table decor ideas? DIY projects are a wonderful way to add a personal touch to your Valentine's table while keeping costs down. Handmade floral wreaths, created with artificial flowers and a wireframe, can serve as versatile accents. Use them as napkin rings or place them around candle holders for a cohesive look. Another easy DIY project is a paper heart garland. Simply cut hearts from colorful craft paper and string them together to decorate the edges of your table. It's a simple, festive addition that instantly brightens the setup. For an even more personalized touch, create custom love jars by filling mason jars with fairy lights and small love notes. These jars can act as glowing centerpieces or charming accents. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative ideas like these. How can I incorporate Valentine's theme into the tableware? Incorporating the Valentine's theme into your tableware ensures a cohesive and polished look. Plates and glasses with heart patterns or subtle designs add a festive yet elegant touch, and pairing them with plain linens keeps the setup balanced. For cutlery, gold or silver options can elevate the overall aesthetic, while themed napkins, either embroidered or printed with Valentine's designs, tie everything together. Table mats and chargers are another way to highlight the theme. Using red or pink mats with golden chargers frames the plates beautifully, and adding a handwritten Valentine's message on each plate creates a personal and memorable experience for your guests. Want to recreate this look? Check the description for the products featured in this video. Creating the perfect Valentine's table decor is more than just arranging a beautiful setup. It's about crafting an experience that reflects love and thoughtfulness. From selecting the right color palette to adding personal finishing touches, every element contributes to a memorable celebration. Whether you're going for timeless elegance, bold drama, or creative DIY charm, these ideas will help you set the stage for an unforgettable Valentine's Day. Enjoyed this guide? Don't miss out on our future content. Hit that subscribe button now.